Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. So this is the one of the polygon clipping algorithm. In the previous session we discussed about the polygon clipping, that is what is meant by the polygon clipping. So here polygon is nothing but the collection of the lines, and the line clipping algorithm can be used directly for the polygon clipping. Okay, so in the polygon clipping we remove the outside the edges of the boundary. Okay, clip the window, that is we remove the outside the edges which are present in the clipping window. Okay, so here Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm is used for the polygon clipping. First, the polygon is clipped against the left edge of the polygon window to get the new vertices of the polygon. Okay, as we know that the polygon clipping, after the removing of the outside of the boundary edges, we add some edge to complete the polygon or to close the polygon. Okay, so first the polygon is clipped against the left edge of the polygon window to get the new vertices of the polygon. Okay, so these new vertices are used to clip the polygon against the right edge, bottom and top edge of the polygon window. Okay, so basically clipping means removing the portions that present outside the window. Polygon clipping, here our object is polygon. So we are removing the polygon that present outside the window, that perform using Sutherland-Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm. We performing clipping with respect to the top, okay, bottom, left and the right. Here the order is not important. We perform in any order all these clip with respect to the boundary of the clip window. Okay, here is the input polygon and here is the output polygon, and these are the four cases required. That is, first is the left clip, then right, then bottom and the top. Okay, after the end of the clipping we only get the image or the portion which are inside the clipped window. Okay, so here this is our clipped window. Okay, this is our original polygon, and this is the polygon, and this is the clipping window. Okay, we remove this portion which are outside of the clipping window. Okay, and these are the boundary of the clipping window. We clip this polygon with respect to all the cases, that is left, right, bottom and right. Left, right, bottom and top. Okay, so that is we perform the clipping against the window. We perform the clip here. We perform the clip left, that is clipping against the left edge of the window. Okay, after removing this clipping the left edge of the window, this is after clipping the after clipping the left side of the polygon, this is applied to the next, that is bottom clipping. Okay, once again this is the original polygon. Okay, this is our polygon, and we remove this portion that which are outside of the polygon. Okay, this is the left edge of the window. We clipping the left edge of the window, and this is left clipping is used to the next clipping, that is bottom clipping. Okay, so this is the clipping against the bottom corner of the window. The portion which are outside of the bottom bottom boundary, these portions are removed. Okay, that means the clipping against the bottom corner of the window. Then this image is again used to the next clipping, that is top of the window. Then by using this image we remove the top portion of this polygon. Okay, So clipping against top of the window means we remove the top image, that is top portion of this clipped window is removed. Okay, and here clipping against the right edge of the window. Okay, this portion, after the top clipping, this image is used to clipping the right edge of the window. Okay, and this image is the clipping against the right edge of the window, means the portion which are right edge, which are right side of the which are outside the right edge of the window, this portion are removed. Okay, and these are the final polygon after the clipping. This is the final polygon, means we perform this original polygon and we perform left, right, top and bottom clipping is performing on this image, and we get the final polygon after the clipping. This is our final polygon, means we remove all the side of the portion which are not required. Okay, only we require the inside of the polygon. Okay, then for this performing we require the 4 cases, 4 possible situation while processing. That is, first is the this is the 4 cases, that is first, second, third and the fourth. Then the first is if the first vertex is an outside the window and the second vertex is inside the window, then second vertex is added to the output list. Okay, then the point of intersection of the window boundary and the polygon side is also added to the output line. Okay, here is the first vertex is in outside of the clipping window and the second vertex is the inside of the clipping window. Okay, the first vertex is outside and the second vertex is the inside of the clipping window. That is, suppose this is the window and this is our polygon. This is the vertex of our polygon. This is the first vertex and second vertex. If the first vertex is the outside of the polygon and the second vertex is the inside of the polygon, then we move the vertex from first to, that is outside, from outside to inside. We save the intersection point, that is we save our intersection point and vertex V2. Okay, here we remove this portion. Okay, then if this situation, that is the vertex moves from outside to inside, we calculate the intersection point of the boundary edge, that is here the intersection point is V1 dash. Okay, so then we only save the vertex V1 dash and the end, that is V2. Okay, we save intersection point and the vertex V2. Then the second case is if both the vertices are inside the window boundary, then only second vertex is added to the output list. Here in this case, both the vertices are inside of the clipping window, that is vertex V1 and V2. Both are the vertices are inside the clipping window. Then we only save the which vertex? Second vertex. Okay, we only save the second vertex, that is save the V2. Okay, then in third case, that is if the first vertex is inside the window and the second is outside the window, the edge which are intersect with window are added to the output list. Means here this is the first vertex and the second vertex, that is vertex is moves from inside to outside. We calculate the intersection point and we save only the intersection point, that is V1 dash. Okay, so in that case we only save the V1 dash. Okay, in that case this is the clipping window and this is our polygon, and this is the V1 vertex and this is V2 vertex, that is vertices moves from the inside to outside. In that case only we calculate the intersection point and save that intersection point. Then the last case, that is if both the vertices are outside the window, then nothing is added to the output list. That is, if both the vertices are in the outside of the clipping window, that is V1 and V2, both are vertices are in outside of the clipping window, then no need to save any point, both the vertices are in outside of the clipping window. Okay, so here is the fourth case, that is in first case the vertices moves from outside to inside. In that case we save intersection point and also the V2. In the second case, that is both the vertices are in inside of the clipping window, in that case the only we save the last vertices, that is V2. In the third case, that is the vertices moves from inside to outside, in that case we save V1 dash, that is intersection point save. And in the last case, that is both the vertices are in outside of the clipping window, no need to save the any point of the polygon, that is no need to save any vertices. Okay, these are the four cases. By using these four cases, the Sutherland Hodgman polygon clipping algorithm is performed. Okay, if any doubt in this point or in this algorithm, please contact me. Thank you so much. Okay.